So we are here in our VS Code, and what I'm going to do is first create a file. That file this time will be reduce.py. Okay. Now in the reduce.py, our task is first, important thing is the reduce function is a part of one module, that is function tools. So you have to import function tools from func tools. This is what you have to write: import reduce. That's very important. If you don't write this line, then your reduce is not going to work. Okay. Now the second thing is, again, what is the syntax of reduce? The syntax of reduce is something like this. I'm taking one answer is equal to reduce, and in reduce what we want is, we want to pass on a function. Yes, let's pass a function that is product and a sequence. Okay. Now next task, we have pass on two arguments, a function and a sequence. So let's decide these. First, I'm giving sequence. To the sequence, I'm just giving 5 values. And now I'm going to decide the function. That function is product, which is taking in as an argument. And what is the work of this n is not only single, actually it has to take 2. So x and y, because there is multiplication we have to perform. Then return whatever is x into y. Okay, this is done. Now next is simply we can print this answer, because answer will be one value. Let's check. What did we do here is, we have reduce, inside it one function and one sequence. Then sequence we have decided, and function working we have decided. Then now next is just printing the answer. Let's check. So here we got the answer. This is the multiplication. Okay. So the multiplication of 6 into 7, then 7 into, like this, it is a big number is there. But again, we are not using lambda anonymous function inside here. So what should you do to use anonymous function inside here is, simply replace your product. Instead of product, use the lambda. And inside lambda, whatever function definition you decide, x and y, what is the work you want to do with x and y? X into y. This is I want to perform, and remove this also. Let's try. Are we going to get the same answer? Yes, same answer. So we successfully replaced our function definition. So we successfully replaced our function definition with lambda function. So this is there. So this is nothing but a reduce, that is taking as an argument a lambda function and applying that on a sequence.